Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing another stretching video. I am currently at a 4 gauge in both of my ears. So far my stretching journey has been so good. I am so blessed and so lucky. We only had one little sketchy stretch with my 8 to 6, but from everything else basically has been very smooth. So since we are at a 4 right now, today we are going to be stretching up to a 3 gauge. If you guys watched my 5 gauge stretch and little Body Art Forms haul, I did purchase 3 in-between sizes for the rest of my stretching journey. So basically for every other stretch, it's going to be between like the steel tunnels and tapers and the glass plugs that I got from Body Art Forms. For example, the 4 gauge was done with the steel tunnels, and the 3 is going to be with the glass, the 2 is going to be with the steel, the 1 is going to be the glass, and the 0 is going to be the steel. The reason for that is because I bought the whole stretching kit off of Urban Body Jewelry when I first started stretching my ears, and I wanted the in-between sizes, and for that I decided to try out glass. So if you guys have not seen my 5 gauge stretch video, if you guys did not see that haul, I will go ahead and put that up in the corners. I have been at a 4 gauge for about a month now, and they have been doing really well. As you can see, the skin is nice and healthy. I have quite a bit of skin left in between, so we should be good. Nothing hurts. I haven't had any issues. So yeah, today we're gonna dead stretch up to a 3. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully my tight side isn't too tight. I've been, massaging and oiling and all that good stuff. Very quickly, again, I'm just gonna say I have never stretched any of my piercings before. This is my first go at this kind of thing, so I'm definitely not an expert. I'm sure there are many different ways people can do this. I know a lot of people have, certain ways that they prefer. Me personally, this is the way that has worked for me, and this is the way that I am going to continue to do it until I get to my goal size, which for those of you who don't know, my goal size I'm thinking is a 0 or a 00. I'm gonna go to a 0, see how I feel, and if I want to go up, I'm gonna go to a 00. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I did already clean my hands and all that good stuff, so we're good to go there. And the ones that I'm using are the Body Art Forms 3 gauge smoky gray plugs, so we're just gonna slide those right in. I'm gonna start with this ear first. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to pop out the tunnel right here. So here's what my little ear hole is looking like right now. We have a pretty decent size there. I'd say it's looking really cute. Everything feels really good. There's no pus, blood. I do have the smell, the ear stretching smell, which I thought was a bad thing, but apparently it just comes with the territory of having stretched ears. You're just gonna get that little like nasty ear smell. Apparently that's normal from what I've researched, from what I've heard from everyone else who has stretched ears, but yeah, that's probably the only downfall that I've noticed about having stretched ears is they get a little bit stinky. Always make sure, I will say this, always make sure you're washing them really good in the shower, whether that be with antibacterial soap, or if they're totally healed, what I'll do is while I'm washing my hair, I'll just take a little excess shampoo and just kind of wash the area, and that takes care of the smell right away. So I'm first going to take a little alcohol pad, and I'm just going to wipe down the ear area. And I'm honestly not nervous to do this. Like a lot of my previous stretches, like when I would go from like a 10 to an 8, 8 to 6, those kind of stretches, I was a little bit nervous, but now that I have these like in between sizes, I definitely feel a lot better about it personally, and it's been a lot better. And yes, obviously my ears are going to be red. I just cleaned them, rubbed them, touched them. I have sensitive skin, so whenever I touch my skin or ears, they do turn red. I know a lot of people were very alarmed by that. They're like, oh my god, why are your ears so red? Bitch, go in the bathroom, rub your ear for a couple minutes and see if it turns red, okay? It's a thing that happens. You touch your skin, it's gonna turn red. And then I'm just gonna use one glove to put the lube on because it's just easier and I don't have lube all over my hands. So I'm just gonna take my little glove here. I'm using some water-based lube. Make sure it is water-based. I'm just gonna put some on my finger here, and we're going to just rub front and back to the ear as per usual. And then I'm going to take whatever is left over and I'm going to take the glass plug and just rub it on there. So I'm just going to find the hole and I'm just going to very gently push in, absolutely no pain, and that slid right in. So dude, these in-between sizes are the way to go. There is one ear done. I'm going to take off the dirty glove and I'm going to take the little O-ring and then just slide that on the back. So we have one ear left, which I think this is my tight ear, so we're just going to kind of give this a nice little pull, a nice little massage really quick, just to kind of get the blood flowing so it's a little bit easier to stretch. Alright, I'm going to remove this tunnel right here. So there is what that little hole looks like. I know it looks super dark in there, like on camera it almost looks like it's bleeding, but oh my gosh, look at that little baby. Different one than we used before, and I'm just going to wipe down. And yeah, this is going to take, if you're wearing makeup, this is going to take a lot of your foundation off as well. So I'm just kind of rubbing the front, rubbing the back. I'm going to take another clean glove on this hand, and we're going to do the same thing. Take our water-based lube on our finger right here, and we're going to really lube this guy up and take the excess and just rub it on the plug right here. Alright, and then very slowly we're just going to dead stretch this guy. Boom. Again, slid right in. Yep. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Ah, oh my gosh, I love it so much. All right, and then I'm just going to take the O-ring and do the exact same thing. Just kind of slide it. Oh. Still to this day, the hardest goddamn thing are these O-rings. Wow. I cannot get these damn O-rings on. What the fuck? Dude! 3 C's, the 3 C's. Cool, calm, collected, cool, calm, collected. Got it! Like stretching? No, not a problem. O-rings. And that was my 3-gauge stretching video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, unfortunately, comments will be disabled on all of my stretching videos just because people aren't very nice when it comes to ear stretching on the internet, so I do disable comments. But if you guys want to reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever the case may be, all my links are down in the description box. If you guys want to follow me, reach out to me, tell me what you think. I absolutely love them. I love this color. It's definitely more of my aesthetic, I guess you could say. I love the gray. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you just stumbled across this video on YouTube and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, we do many different things on my channel. We do piercing videos, tattoo videos, stretching videos, makeup, vlogs, declutters, everything that you can imagine we do here on this channel. So make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on here. I love you guys so much, but until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!